Welcome back, friends. Today I have the funnest craft, and we are using fuzzy socks from the Dollar Tree. You can use regular socks, but fuzzy socks work really well. So I'm going to use this pair. We're going to also use a piece of cardboard. Any cardboard will do. This one came from Dollar Tree, but you can use whatever you have at home. We're going to use some yarn in whatever color you want, as well as some pom-poms. I get these at Walmart. These are on the larger side, and some large googly eyes. I got also these at Walmart. I'm going to use my scissors as well as a pencil. I'm also going to be using a pink construction paper and adhesive spray, but you can also use a tacky glue if you have that. I'm going to use a cup that fits a size of the inside of the sock, give or take. And we're going to start by tracing that cup on the cardboard, and then we're going to cut it. Now, this is a thinner cardboard. This is more of a presentation board from Dollar Tree, but if you have a thicker cardboard, you can use that as well. Maybe use a blade knife to cut it very carefully, of course, and you do this part for your kiddos. Don't have them do this one. So I'm just going to cut it, and then we are going to trace the smaller end of the cup onto the pink paper. Now, if you notice, I'm still going to be cutting it a little bit inside the line. I want this to be a little smaller. I want it to fit maybe about a ½ inch inside of the cardboard circle. So I'm just going to use my scissors to cut, and then we are going to take the yarn. We're going to just cut a piece first, maybe about 8 inches long, and then we're going to wrap it around my forefinger several times. We're creating a larger pom-pom. If you made these, basically you just want to wrap it around your fingers, and then you want to tie it around the center without opening them up. Once you have it tied in a knot, then you want to open up all those loops with your scissors very carefully until you have all these little frizzies. And then you just want to trim as needed. And we're going to put that to the side because we want to put everything together here in just a second. We're going to take one of the socks. Of course, you can use and do as many as you want. We're going to fold the cardboard circle in half. This is what will be the mouth of our puppet. I'm so excited to show you. I want to spray adhesive the back of it. Let that get tacky. You could tell it's already very sticky. And then we're going to place it carefully inside the sock. Once all the way in, just pull as far as it can go. And then just make sure that you flatten and let it harden just a little bit. We're going to hot glue, or you can glue the pink paper right inside where the mouth will be opening. And then once attached, you would just want to place the puppet right inside, or your hand inside the sock. And you just want to mark where you want to put the hair and the eyes. Just kind of eye it out. Pun intended. So we are going to hot glue the hair, the crazy hair, for our puppet on top. And then we're going to hot glue the larger pom-poms right there in front of it. And then we're going to use the googly eyes, and we're going to hot glue it in front of the little pom-poms. These will just keep the eyes nice and upright and give it a nice googly crazy face. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Once they are hardened, place your hand in there and you can have as much fun as you want. You can make little ones for your kiddos. I think that would be so cute to make little tiny ones. Look how adorable this puppet is. Oh my gosh, you can make them where it's themed like Christmas or holidays or birthday. You can do whatever you want. Add a little hat, have fun. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments. And I have another video here for you with tons more fun Dollar Tree crafts. Let's check it out. Watch this next. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.